Hello guys, the starting machine here, and this is the Honda CBR1000RR-R. It seems that Honda will still present the WSBK CBR1000RR-R Fireblade homologation motorbike in the 2023 season, with minor changes for Lecuona and Vierge. This is inseparable from the plan detected by WebBike that currently Honda is still in the stage of working on a deep renovation of the CBR1000RR-R so that it can make its debut as a homologated motorbike for the 2024 season. According to the information that can be obtained, the engine configuration itself will still be the same as the current Fireblade, mainly 4-cylinder in line, but most of it will be heavily changed as a result of the increasing number of new emission regulations. Strict, even though the current model has been conformed to Euro 5 standards. Will Honda change the crank pin angle of the CBR1000RR-R engine to 270°? And make the CBR have V4-like characteristics? According to information in Japan, even Honda already has a planned presentation date, which is expected to be present in October 2023 at the Tokyo Motor Show, Japan Mobility Show. If the presentation doesn't happen there, the next possibility is at EICMA 2023 in November. WebBike wrote that the next Fireblade would be the last complete model change, and had previously written that there would be major changes to the chassis and aerodynamics. Is it worth the wait? You can imagine what the engine power will be like if Honda actually makes changes to the Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade engine later. This latest version of the Fireblade is the last model to get a complete makeover, because not only the engine, chassis, and aerodynamic devices also received major changes. So that's our review of the Honda CBR1000RR-R.